In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Microsoft error 4VT9F. Something went wrong. Now, the first thing you want to do is come to the bottom left to the search and search for services. Then open the system services. In here, what you want to look for is something called the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. All you need to do is to scroll down until you find the letter M, then look for the Microsoft ones. Now, here, the Microsoft Account Sign-In Assistant. What you want to do is double click on this one and find, then click Properties. After that, it will be on Manual. Make sure to change it to Automatic, where it has stopped. Then, after you've clicked Automatic, make sure to click Start, so it is running. Just wait for this to start. Then, once you've pressed Start and it is now running, press Apply and OK. Now, when you open it, you should see it automatically gone back to automatic and running. After that, what you want to do is press Restart. Wait for the restart to be done. Okay, now this is done, it should be working. If it still does not work, try simply restarting your computer, opening this system up again and making sure it is running on automatic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.